Video I will show you if you are looking for document app for your Android tablet, then you are in the right video. Let me show you how and which one will be the best for you. So go to Play Store and search here Docs. Okay, just search Docs and you will be able to see this app which is powered by Google. Okay, so all you have to do is just install this app. Okay, click on open and now make sure to log in. By the way, it will automatically log in with your Gmail ID. You don't need to worry about anything else. Now click on plus button, click on new document, and now you have interface for writing anything you want. Basically, you can create any document of any kind like PDF, EPUB, docs, many more. For example, I will type something and now I want to add images. So I can simply tap on plus button, then I can click on image and I will click on from photos. I can select a photo. Now if I want to save this document in PDF, how can I do it? So make sure to rename your document first if you want, but if it's okay then keep it untitled document, but I want to rename it so that I can find easily. Okay, now click on three dots, click on share and export, click on save as. From here you can select any format: docs, PDF, ODT, TXT, RTF, HTML, zip, EPUB. I will select PDF, then I will click on OK. It will take few seconds. It will also depend on your document size. Now you can see my PDF file is ready and I created this PDF file very easily using Docs app. So click on done and click on back button. Now you can see this is the file. If you want to save this file in your local storage, then tap on three dots, click on download option. Here you can see. So click on download. One item will be downloaded. You can see this PDF file. I will go back to my file manager. I will go to my internal storage, or I can just directly go to documents. And now all I have to do is refresh. You can see this file is ready. I can simply use any document reader like WPF Office or any other app. So you can see everything is possible using Docs app. Okay, so that's it for this video guys. I hope it will help you to create any document you want in your Android tablet. That's it. Bye bye.